What is up, everybody? This is TechBoyman and welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be talking about my favorite gadget that comes with me practically everywhere. When GoPro announced the Hero 8 in 2019, people got kind of upset. The lens wasn't removable, which meant that if you cracked the lens, you kind of had to replace the entire camera. Also, they introduced a new mounting system so that some accessories just wouldn't work. Instead of putting the camera in a cage, you fold the clips down. Don't worry, they're held in place magnetically so they won't pop open all the time, and it's really satisfying to open and close them, which means they have a really high fidget factor. The battery compartment has also changed. It's been moved from the bottom up to the side. Moving from the hardware to a bit of software, there are a handful of both new and improved features. Time Warp 2.0 is something that I've grown to love. I've been using it a ton and it's been working out flawlessly. On long road trips, I've been doing some time lapses of the drives, which turn out really cool. Though I really wish there was a feature that would help you get that buttery smooth motion blur, like maybe adjusting your shutter speed. I can't compare it to the previous version, but it works exactly as you'd expect it to, which is great. Hyper Smooth has also been updated and it works flawlessly. After riding with it for a while on my bike, you could tell just how capable it was. On the resolution and frame rates end, it is everything you'd expect. And as the theme of this video, a little more. There's now 4K 60 and 1080 240. Which is great for slow-mo, but I have yet to try it. When shooting in 4K, you can set your bait rate up to high, which sets it up to 100 megabytes per second, which is crazy because you get so much more information and it really helps to bump up that quality. Moving on to the photo side, you get 12 megapixels and the ability to shoot in RAW, which is fantastic, but you also get to shoot in HDR, and something GoPro calls Super Photo. The sleeve. I got one for my GoPro in black to help match the camera and to keep the body of the camera from getting nicked or scratched. I also removed the lanyard that it comes with and attached a Peak Design anchor. If I'm somewhere where the camera could get banged up really badly if I dropped it or if I dropped it and can't get it back, I like to attach the GoPro to the updated Peak Design cuff. They work perfectly together and they both fit in my pockets with ease. If you're interested in one for yourself, make sure to check out my review over here on the top right or down below in the description. Another little thing that makes using the GoPro so pleasant is the inclusion of USB-C. I can plug it into either my power pack and I can just toss that whole setup into either my pocket or any bag. If you're interested at all about the power pack or the cable, I'll leave links down below as well as everything I've mentioned in this video. When you're on your way down, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, because it actually does make a difference. And maybe you could subscribe too, since I'll be making videos weekly now. Before we end the video, I just want to say that the GoPro Hero 8 is a spectacular action camera, and if you're deciding between a cheaper or an older model or this one, I definitely recommend splurging a bit and getting this one. I guarantee you won't regret it. That's all for me this week. Thanks for watching, and peace out.